Hello everyone! On this movie I will show you how to replace the back pressure sensor on BMW E60 with engine 2.0 diesel N47. I think similar thing will apply to different models with the same engine. So the original problem of this car was DPF. DPS was full and this caused a number of issues. The car was left with mechanics. They did manage to clear DPF, fix all the problems which were generated by faulty DPF, but still one of them remain. So as you can see here, they are glow plugs, and the first one is the back pressure sensor. So it's 41BA. So I'm clearing the fault codes, as you can see. Diagnostic which I'm using to show you this is INPA, but they also use DIS, and DIS is coming back with same results. So as you can see, this error is fixed. It came back again, so this needs to be sorted. So I will show you on this movie how to replace it. It's not hard procedure. I used the website BMW info parts to locate the part number, and then I got the part from eBay. So here I think this is the part number as far as I remember. But anyway, I got this from eBay. This is not very expensive. The sensor cost only I think £27, so it's not much. So this movie will show you how to replace it. So if you look at the engine like this way, this is where sensor is located. So you can see that this is the sensor. So you have to disconnect the connector on this end, which is just pressing of this button, and then remove the pipe which going on under this. The pipe, as far as I can see, it's kind of different one which I've seen before. It also can be faulty pipe, to be honest. So after replacing the sensor, you can make diagnostic and just make sure if the problem is sorted. But to disconnect this, you're pressing this button, you're removing the plug, and then removing the pipe from the bottom, and this is it. So as you can see, this is my old sensor. I placed the new one, replaced this, and as you can see, the 1BA I think is gone. So it's very simple thing to do. It's not very complex. It will take you like 10 minutes. So yeah, so it's fixed, so it's working. So I hope this movie was useful. I will think about maybe making another movie to show you how to replace the controller for the glow plugs, because this is the next thing that I will be replacing, but it's gonna be next week. So if you got the same car and similar issues, then you can have a look next week on my channel. You should have another movie. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that was useful, and I wish you a good day.